Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I will show you that how to fix the app not active. This app is not accessible right now in the My Singing Monster. So I will show you the 6 methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. In our first method we just need to open the Google Play Store and then search here for the My Singing Monster and check that if any update is available, then you have to just update it. And the second method is that you have to just search here for the Facebook and check that if any update is available for your Facebook, so then you have to just update your Facebook. After doing so, you have to just restart your game and your problem will be fixed. And the third method is that you have to just restart your system or device. After doing so, your problem will be fixed. And moving to our next method, just update your browser. For this, click on the three dots at the top right and then click on the settings. And in the left menu, click on the About Chrome at the bottom of this list. If any update is available for your browser, it will automatically update your browser. Wait for completing this process. So once this process complete, then you have to just restart your game and your problem may be fixed. The next method is that you have to just click on the privacy and the security in the left menu and then click on the clear browsing data. And here you have to just select for all the options and in the time range select for all time and then click on the clear data. Once this process complete, then you have to just restart your game and your problem will be fixed. The next method, you have to just make sure that your internet connection must be stable, and the last method is that you have to just uninstall your game and again install it. After doing so, your problem will be fixed. So that's all for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel Let Me Guide.